Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Pen X tutorial how to add picture. So if you want to add picture, you can click these icons and will be show for the layer option. Now to add picture, you can click the camera icon and then searching for your picture. For example, I will use this picture and click open. So it will be attached into your canvas. Now you can change the option by using these tools. Okay, you can set for the transformations in here like perspective form. So you can set for inner, horizontal or full for this picture, or you can scale manually in use this translate scale. Okay, click at these points to scale, or you can rotate. Another, you also can use the mesh form. Okay, this is for the mesh form. You can move the vertex to edit your picture. If you done, you can click these icons to apply into your project. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis Pen X tutorial, how to add picture. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.